In this video we'll show you how we can enter a series of points using the XY command window and then using the curve fitting or B-spline option. So I've started the CAD system now, so the first thing to do is choose point and then use the command window here to enter the XY coordinates. The default mode is to use incremental dimensions, so if we want to use absolute we click here. And then we also need just to check and say datum the origin. Okay, so everything I type in now will be relative to the XY0, which is in the center of the drawing. So I just start typing the values, and then after each one I press the enter key. And so on. When you're finished with that, you can then go into the curve fitting routine. So if we use the curve function, and the first one we'll use is a fitted curve. So I need to be in near snap mode to snap onto the points that have been created, and as you can see that is fitting a smooth curve between each one of those points. When I finish with that, I can just press down on the shift key and to close that down. Okay, so that's fairly straightforward. If we just remove the curve and show you another option, which is under the curve option here, which is a B-spline. So a B-spline uses the points that we've created as control points rather than as discrete points that the curve must fit through. And you'll see what happens when we do this, and again use the shift key to end that. So we've got a different style of curve there now. I'll just zoom in on that. So what we can do is that if we need to smooth these curves out, then we can use the B-spline controls, and to do that we go to View, B-spline controls, and now we can see the control points plus the handles which allow us to modify the curve. So to modify the curve we go to Move, and I need to move a point. Make sure that near snap is unselected, and we can either move the points as we want to, or we can use the handles to adjust the curvature of the curves. So here, as you can see, just by putting on the curves, we can change the style of the curve considerably from the list of input points that we gave it. When you're finished with that, you can switch off the B-spline controls, and there we have the curve. So that's how we can generate a list of points and use the curve fitting or B-spline option.